Earthbondhon, Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Any question write in the comment box. More update please subscribe our channel. Notification to press the bell icon. Hi everybody, today I will share about logic gates. Presenting the ANOR gate by Earthbondhon. How they work today I am going to explain. ANOR gate. ANOR gate circuit diagram. Resistor. Input A. Input B. Output. Power supply. Positive. Negative. ANOR gate symbol. Truth table of ANOR gate. The ANOR, not OR, gate has an output that is normally at logic level 1 and only goes LOW to logic level 0 when any of its inputs are at logic level 1. The logic ANOR gate is the reverse or complementary form of the OR gate we have seen previously. IC number is 74 LS0214 pin. Input A0 input B0 output is 1 high. Input A0 input B1 output is 0 low. Input A1 input B0 output is 0 low. Input A1 input B1 output is 0 low. Thanks for watching the video. Don't not forget to like and share. Please subscribe our channel.